set up a beaver job yesterday, and it's actually this little bitty old creek, and that is spring fed, but it feeds into the hayfield right there. But there's a large creek on this side, and for whatever reason the beavers are coming into that little feeder creek, and they got a couple dams and kind of backing water up into the hayfield, and there's a streaming trail coming. I need to move that conibear down closer to the water, but cutting across to the first dam, and so I just put a conibear on either side, and well, it took longer than I expected, but we finally connected on the old other gray that I've been waiting on here at this set. This is where we caught the first gray fox, and boom, there's number 2. So looking good. I've already checked 3 sets that I've caught coyotes in the past, and I know I've set trail cameras on the road intersections and all, and seen lots of pictures of coyotes coming through, and I ain't had any activity there. I don't really know what's going on there. That's got me kind of puzzled. You see what I see? This is my bobcat remake. Dadgummit. Maybe I got him right up here around the corner. Well, crap, I should have. Golly. I don't know if these feathers got pulled out the last time. Look at that. Scratch off, that's fresh. I need to put another set in here. Look at that trail run right on. I need to put a blind set in. That's exactly what I need to do right there. I think what I need to do too, I don't know. That sucker just snapped right there in the bed though. Not pulled out or anything. You ever feel like you're regressing in your trapping abilities? This could very realistically be a deer. Just pulled right out of the bed. My beaver tail's still there. Who knows? We did make one catch today. Well, we got the beaver, so shouldn't complain too much, right?